Battery backup is becoming more popular, and by now, most people have heard of the Tesla Powerwall. But Enphase has taken a very different approach with the IQ Battery 10C. Today we're going to look at what makes this system unique and what it's actually like to live with it. Hello, my name is Eric. I'm the president here at Green Power Energy, and last year we installed an Enphase IQ 10C battery at my own home here in New Jersey. I was impressed enough with the early release of this technology that I decided to install it on my own home, especially since power outages had become a regular occurrence on my street. If you've seen some of our other battery videos, you know we're big fans of this technology, but this time we wanted to do something a little different. Instead of just talking about how these systems work, we wanted to share what it's actually like to live with one after about 6 months of real-world use. The IQ Battery 10C provides 10 kilowatt hours of usable storage. That puts it right in line with most home battery systems designed for partial home backup and daily energy shifting. It delivers about 7 kilowatts of continuous power output. That's enough to run essential loads like refrigeration, internet, and in some cases your HVAC system. But like most systems in this category, it's not designed to run an entire home without some level of load management. Where Enphase really stands out is how the battery is built. Instead of using a single central inverter in the battery, the 10C uses multiple microinverters inside the battery itself. This distributed design means there's no single point of failure. If one inverter has an issue, the rest of the system can continue operating. That level of redundancy is something you don't always see in battery systems, and it becomes a lot more meaningful when you're relying on it to power your home. The system also uses lithium iron phosphate chemistry, which is known for its stability, long cycle life, and strong safety profile compared to other lithium battery types. In a setup like mine, the battery is paired with an Enphase solar system on the roof. The microinverters on the roof communicate directly with the microinverters in the battery system, and they work very cohesively together to maximize the efficiency of the system and optimize your energy usage. During the day, solar energy powers the home and charges the battery. Then at night, that stored energy is used instead of pulling from the grid. And that's where you really start to see the benefit, using more of the energy you produce yourself and relying less on the utility overall. One of the biggest advantages is when the power goes out and you have reliable backup power when none of your neighbors do, or you start to hear the generators humming in the distance. When the grid goes down, the system transitions automatically to pull from the batteries in a millisecond. It's so quick that I don't even notice when the power goes out in my home. Critical loads remain powered, things like refrigeration, lighting, and the internet, so the home continues to operate through the outage. With that said, it's important to understand the limitations of the battery system. Each unit can produce 7 kilowatts of continuous power, and they have 10 kilowatt hours of stored capacity. So 7 kilowatts is a lot of power, but if you ran 7 kilowatts continuously for a full hour, that would eat up 7 kilowatt hours of the stored energy bank, or 70% of a 10 kilowatt hour unit. At Green Power Energy, we customize the design of each system and find that balance that works for you between how many battery units you have and what loads in your house you want to back up. For example, in my home, we backed up most of the home, but not the heavy appliances like the oven and the electric dryer and the HVAC system. And because I do regularly lose power for long durations, I added multiple Enphase battery units, so I have multiple 10 kilowatt hour battery banks to go from when the power is out for a long time. This provides the home with an ample amount of energy capacity to last either for as long as the utility outage or until the sun comes back out and can recharge the batteries from solar. The best part about these systems is that they're really infinitely rechargeable, so when the power goes out and the sun comes out each day, the batteries will recharge on their own and sustain you for the day and into the next night until the next sunny day. It is important to keep in mind that you may have a couple days of cloudiness or bad weather or even a little snow cover that you want to have your battery bank get you through. But what I love the most is the Enphase Enlighten monitoring app, which shows how much I'm producing and using in real time, and also what percentage of storage my battery capacity is left at. So I can see, if I'm running down to maybe 20% battery capacity and it isn't that sunny out, I'm going to turn off some of the loads in my house or unplug some things from the wall to make sure that the battery bank lasts longer than it would if I kept everything going for the entire time. It's very manageable, and the Enphase app gives you great insight into what your system is doing minute by minute. The IQ Battery 10C integrates directly with the Enphase microinverters, monitoring, and system controls, creating a fully unified energy system. For me, that was a big advantage, especially with Enphase planning to release a bi-directional EV charger in the future. At the end of the day, the right battery depends on your home and your priorities. If you're already using Enphase Solar or looking for a flexible, scalable system, the IQ Battery 10C is a strong option for you. And if you'd like help deciding on if it's the right fit for your home, reach out to us at Green Power Energy and we'll walk you through your options. If you're like one of our thousands of existing Enphase Solar customers, it's a good time for you to see if an Enphase IQ 10C battery system would make sense for your home. They're a great system, they work really well, and they've been reliable and proven with a 15-year manufacturer warranty, which actually leads the industry currently with the battery standard warranty offering. Our team of professional solar and storage energy consultants are here to help you get informed and educated on all the options and products available. And we really pride ourselves on teaching our customers about all the options and making sure they understand, setting the right expectations with them, and delivering on the project that they're happy with and will be working with for the next 10 years plus. If you'd like to get an estimate or see how a storage system might work in your home, feel free to call us or reach out to us at greenpowerenergy.com.